Hi guys, Juvia here, also known as Lost Peg here on YouTube and Instagram, and themirrorbeauty on TikTok, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Juvia's Place Holiday Collection, and this one is the Nubian Royal palette. I'm going to do a tutorial of this look that I did using this palette. By the way, I also used it a bit on the lips, and I'm also going to do some swatches on the back of my hand because one of the colors actually looks very different on the skin and in the pan. And here's the palette itself. I think it's a beauty. It looks like this, and I'm just inserting a little clip that I filmed while it was still new and untouched. I filmed it yesterday before dipping my green fingers into it. I love purple, it's my favorite color, so when they came up with this palette I couldn't help getting it. I'll go into swatching and reviewing in a moment. In the meantime, I just wanted to ask you guys a little question. Maybe you could help me out a little. I'm usually filming reviews and tutorials, as you know, and while I like doing this content, I also feel that I could share something more about makeup with you, and so I had these ideas about the coming videos, something that would work on a skin which is similar to mine. So I had basically 3 ideas of my next video. Eyeshadow brands and eyeshadows that work on oily lids, eyeliners both in pencil and liquid form that work on oily lids, and liquid lipsticks that work on dry lips, because that's what I have, oily lids and dry lips. And please comment which of these videos would be of most interest to you, which you would like to watch, which you would like to know. As for eyeshadows and eyeliners, I will just talk about how they apply and how they last on oily lids, because this is a big problem if you have oily lids, you know. And as for liquid lipsticks, I will speak of those which are not drying and which I, for example, can wear throughout the day without feeling any discomfort. Now let's go back to the Juvia's Place. First of all, I wanted to say that this one is not the first Juvia's Place palette that I get. I also have the Wahala palette. I will not be reviewing it in this video, but I just wanted to quickly show it to you and say that I have used it several times, so I kind of have an impression of the Juvia's Place eyeshadow quality, and that is that their mattes are not completely ideal, they're not perfect, so usually, as you will also see in the tutorial actually, they need a little bit of layering, actually just a little bit, so I usually apply like 1.5 layers of the matte eyeshadows. That being said, they do blend really well, and they do last well on oily lids. So I would say the Jeffree Star Cosmetics quality or the Sugarpill quality of matte eyeshadows is better because they apply super pigmented right away, but Juvia's Place is much cheaper, so I'm not sure what the preference would be here. Oh, and one more thing, as you will see, the shadows do have quite a bit of fallout. I actually don't mind that, but if you do, just so that you know. I want to do some swatching on a primer. I'm applying a transparent primer to the back of my hand. I think this is my favorite color, the Royal Purple. Purple is the hardest color to get on camera, so if you have ever taken photos or videos of something purple, you know that it often misbehaves. And I'm trying to show it to you as well as I can. So this is the Royal Purple. This is the metallic darker purple, and as you can see, it looks different on the hand than it does in the pan. Because in the pan it looks like a very cool color. Oh, I love this. So in the pan this darker metallic looks like a very cool color, but in reality it is a bit sheer and it has this brownish hue, but it still has the blue reflects the sparkle. Is this visible at all? There is actually no problem with the pigmentation, the color is just pretty close to my skin color. And the glitter applies very, very smoothly and beautifully. Just trying to get the glitter off my finger. So as I was saying, purple is the most difficult color to get on camera, and I'm trying as hard as I can, but I can't be 100% sure if you on your screen see it the same way as I now see it on my camera screen, because what I now see on my camera screen is color true, but on your screen it might look a little bit different. So I think the most trusted way to show the color is to show a dupe, and this royal purple color, which I was honestly most intrigued about, like, is it cool toned, is it warm toned, is it true purple? This is a true purple, and this is pretty much an exact dupe of the NYX Liquid Suede in Amethyst. I'm pretty sure you have already seen this liquid suede somewhere because it has been around for a lot of time. And as a matte eyeshadow color, this one is very unique. I don't think I have anything like it. I can't wait to do my makeups with it. And another lipstick that this is also duping well is the Sephora Collection Violet Vertigo. Maybe you know this one, and now you will have a better idea of the color. Violet Vertigo is slightly cooler, like very, very slightly, almost the same. Now we can jump to the tutorial. Don't forget to watch it all to see what I did with the eyeshadow on my lips. I already have my transparent eyelid primer on. First I'm applying the royal purple color. I want to blend this matte color right away into the skin. I'm going to use the magenta purple color for a smoother blend. Ooh, yes, I love how this blends the royal purple into the skin. I'm also extending this magenta color into the middle, and I want to use the light lavender under my brow and in the inner corner. Finally going for the metallic purple. You can apply it with a fingertip as well as with a brush. Now for the central part of my hello eye, I'm applying the pressed glitter. You can use a fingertip or a silicone brush. I'm using the silicone brush because I feel kind of fancy today. Ooh, that's so shiny. I love how well the colors go together. Well, that's logical seeing that they're all purple, but honestly I was a little bit doubtful about that magenta purple. It seemed too pinkish at first, but it is just meant to be to blend the royal purple in. When I'm removing the fallout, I'm also getting rid of the extra eyeshadow under my eyeliner. Time to go for the contacts. The contacts are on. These are from Camo Eyes called Violet Two-Tone. I don't have a discount code for those, but I do have a discount code in another brand that I'm putting in the description box in case you want to try color contacts too. Now let's hide the under eye circles a bit, apply some mascara, and apply the eyeshadow to the lower lid. I applied the transparent primer to my lower lid, using a flat brush this time, applying some royal purple, not too much. Now on top of that I'm applying a darker metallic purple, which as you remember is somewhat brownish, but over this royal purple it doesn't have this brown hue. And now in the center once again I'm going to apply the light metallic purple. The last thing I have to do with the eyes is color my waterline. This is it for the eye makeup, but this is not it for using the palette, because I'm also going to apply a little bit of it to my lips. Just keep on watching. Let's go to the lips and to the cheekbones now. I will let the lipstick set a little bit and go to the cheekbones for now. I have this super glittery highlighter. It's like a glitter gel. And I also have some iridescent glitter, also glitter gel. That's such a festive holiday sparkle. In the meantime, the lipstick has set. I can take my blending brush again. I wiped it off a piece of paper. And now I'm going to go for the lighter purple metallic shade once again. And I'm creating some sort of an ombre. Not applying it everywhere, just to the center of my lips. I love how it looks. I just realized that I did this updo to put on the contacts, and I forgot to take it out. Let's take a closer look at this glitter. Well, here is the finished look. I don't know about you, but to me it just screams happy holidays, maybe because it makes me so happy, because it's purple, and purple is my favorite color. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to tell me in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see from me next. Bye bye loves!